We are traveling north through Monterey County, where Highway 1 runs beside broad coastal fields beneath a changing layer of cloud.
The fortune lady told my mama before I saw the sun.
The landscape here is flatter and more agricultural than the cliffs of Big Sur, revealing another side of California's central coast.
You're gonna make sweet women laugh and cry, in a whole wide world.
The overhead sign ahead marks an important junction. Staying left continues on Highway 1 toward Watsonville and Santa Cruz. The right-hand exit is Route 156 toward Castroville and San Jose, with a connection to US 101. Our drive follows that direction.
I got a black cat charm and a heart turned blue. Got a letter from my baby saying I'm done with you.
As the highway lanes separate, green fields stretch toward the low hills and the road begins to feel more local.
Then the crowd gon' cry for the midnight man. Love and cry. Love and cry. But you know I'm torn.
A school bus passes in the opposite direction, a brief glimpse of everyday life between the farms and nearby communities.
Midnight man. Everybody knows I'm torn. All right, baby.
The divided roadway has now become a two-lane route, with tall dry grass on the shoulder and active farmland beyond it. The open road and layered clouds create a wide view across northern Monterey County's coastal plain. Freshly worked brown soil appears on the right, while green crops remain on the left. Irrigation water reflects the sky beside the field. Windswept trees and a red farm building give this stretch a distinctive Monterey Bay agricultural character. This productive region benefits from cool coastal air, creating the mild conditions associated with the fields around Castroville.
Said your boy's gonna love too hard and break more than one. You're gonna make sweet women laugh and cry.
Roadside businesses and more local traffic begin to appear as we continue toward the Castroville area.
Gonna ask him why, but you know I'm torn. Everybody knows I'm torn. Yeah, you know I'm a midnight man. Everybody knows.
The drive closes with farmland still lining the road, connecting California's famous coast with the working landscape that supports its communities.